How to use the AutoCut feature on Capcut. First thing first, you're going to have to simply go ahead and open up your Capcut application. And once you are here, you just need to make sure that you're logged in. And before you create a new project, right below here, you'll find different kind of tools like retouch, enhance quality, auto caption, photo editor, remove background, and more. And you'll see the AutoCut option right here. If you don't see it, tap on all tools and you'll be able to find it on this list. Then click on this AutoCut option. Now once you've chosen a clip or a photo, then here you'll find this For You page. So tap on Try It Now. And then you can find different kind of templates right here. So you could use the one that you would like to use on your photo or a video. And once you're happy with your effect, you can just go ahead and tap on this export icon at the top. As you can see, for the free version, you only have 10 uses, so make sure that you use it very responsibly. So let me just use another effect, this one right here. And once that is done, click on export and you should be able to use this auto cut effect without any problem. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.